What the f? Okay, I think I bought one, but I got 2 OFRA palettes. What? Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to test some new makeup. At least it's new to me. So I placed the order last week and I just received it. It's from Bangerhead. So we have some new brushes, sponge, pomade, some eyeliner. Yeah. If you're not already subscribing to my channel, I would really suggest you to do that. Just click the button down there. If you want notifications every time I upload a new video, you can click on the bell and turn on the notifications. And of course, don't forget to like, comment, all of that. So let's dive in. I also ordered some other stuff. Maybe I show you. The first thing I found was this little holder for your sponge. It's from the makeup store. So cute. I've seen some of these, not exactly like this, but yeah, whatever. Okay. Oh. Okay, so it's a sticker on the back, so you can stick it on a wall or something maybe. Put your dirty little sponge in these. I think it's so cute. You can have it on spaces so you always know where it is. It was very affordable. I think it was about $4 or $5. So yeah. And from the same brand we have this other beauty sponge storage thing. So it's a lot bigger than I thought. So I just take my technique one and then just, oh, how do you do this? Like that, and you have your sponge in here. I'm not sure why you should have this. I mean, it's a hole in it. I would imagine you can put this in your handbag or suitcase or something like that, but still, if you have hole, you will get dirt. So I'm not really sure. Maybe for your makeup bag. But yeah, it was a lot bigger than I thought. Cute. Also not so expensive. And this is also from makeup store. And then we have some eyebrow tint, and I will do a separate video when I'm testing this. So you put a bit of both and mix it and put on your eyebrows. I had a subscriber who wished me to do a first impression of these, so I will. I will probably do that in a couple of days, so don't miss that. I bought a black one as well for my eyelashes. The other one was brown for the eyebrows. We have some brushes we're going to test today. A new sponge from makeup store. Oh, I thought it would be pink and pink, but it's orange. It almost looks like the Real Technique sponge, but it's pink in the middle. Interesting, very soft. Almost feels the same. Okay, promising. Then I bought some gel eyeliner. This is from Maybelline. And I hope you get the brush with this because I love that brush. It's amazing. Oh yeah, you do. And this gel I won't test today because I already tested it, and we bought another gel eyeliner. This is from Anastasia in Jet, so Jet Black. And we're going to test it with the brush from the Maybelline one. I also bought some Glow Tonic from Pixie. I love this. Some lashes and a pomade. Taupe, I think I bought. Yeah, the top one. So we'll see how that looks. Okay, did I bought 2 of these? What the f? Okay, I think I bought 1, but I got 2 OFRA palettes. What? I never tested OFRA before, so going to be fun. Is the other one the same? I also ordered a eyeshadow palette, so I forgot that. Crazy. Well, that's all the things we're going to test today. So I'm just going to go and wet the sponge and then we're going to start. Okay, so it became very, very big. I like it. It's very soft. Feels just like the Technique one, so... We start with the eyebrows, and I bought 2 eyebrow brushes, and I don't know what one we're going to use. These are Bangerhead's own brand, from their own brand. So one is smaller, or one is thinner, and one is a bit harder, and maybe... I have no idea. We try one of them. If it doesn't work, we take the other. That's the shade. It's very, very light, but let's try it. Oh, that's perfect. Oh my god. Okay, I love that shade. I've used the pomade before, but in medium brown, I think, or dark brown, because I had black hair back then. Okay, let's just clean them up with some concealer and then maybe we fill in some more. They are a bit unplucked right now and not perfect, but I like it. I will definitely continue to use it. Let's continue with my eyeshadow. So I'm just going to take some soft ochre pro longwear paint pot from MAC as a eye base, and this will intense the eyeshadow, the pigment, and it will make it last longer, and I think it acts like a barrier for the oil or something. I'm not really super scientific or something. I don't know, but it's good. I love the paint pot, even though it's a bit too yellow for me. So we're going to use the eyeshadow from OFRA. This is the signature palette Autistic Eyes. I don't know. Not really a matte. They are all a bit of shimmers. So before we go in with that, I'm going to take my Gingerbread Extra Spice palette from Too Faced. Plenty of Daw and Soft Sweet as our transition shade. Because the OFRA shadows were a bit dark for transition. Just blending that out. This is a fluffy blending brush from Meet Makeup, the E144. We take a smaller blending brush and the brown shade, the red brown, and darken up. Yeah, it's pigmented, so take a smaller brush. We take a concealer or packing brush and the darkest shade, the dark brown, just in the outer end. Let's take the golden in the middle, just on our finger, and pack it on the middle of the eyelid. Beautiful. Yeah, I like that. A bit hard to pack on with these nails. We also got one of these smaller smudging brushes. I will just take that and some reddish brown on the lower lash line or under the eye. And then in the outer ends on the under eye, we take the darkest brown and just connect the top and the bottom. So I think the dark brown was a little bit weird in the consistency. It's almost too dry, if that makes sense. Now we will take the eyeliner, the Anastasia eyeliner in the Jet, and this little brush from the Maybelline gel eyeliner, and we will try to do a wing. How am I going to say that? Okay, that looks terrible, but we just continue. I'm going to take the new sponge and my foundation. Just apply that. I already applied primer. Like the sponge, it's amazing and very, very cheap, so I think I will order more. It's almost better than the Real Techniques, I think. I like it. I'll just do the rest of my makeup and then we'll apply the highlighter. We're almost done. Now we're just going to put on this highlighter. So we're going to... We test this one with just a Morphe brush. This is the M510. So this is the moment. Oh. Okay. That's beautiful. Okay, I like it. We test these two. Bit lighter. Oh. Need to tone it down a bit. Okay, I really like this, and the eyeliner was so difficult to apply, but I mean it's black, it's pigmented, it's just I'm not really using gel liner on a daily basis, so I have to get better at applying it, but the product is perfect. I hope it will continue to be this wet and pigmented, because when gel eyeliner dries, it gets so difficult to apply it. So I like the quality and the product itself, but I have to practice the application. I love the highlighter, the highlighting palette, beautiful, and I like that I chose the one with small pans, so I got many shades and not a big pan with one shade, because you're not really sure what shade you want. So this is perfect for testing it out. Then later you can buy separate ones, the bigger pans. This is the first time I ever tested a product from OFRA. So the eyeshadow palette was okay, nothing special. It wasn't bad, it wasn't bam. It's not a Natasha Denona palette, so if you like the shades, buy it. I thought the darkest brown was a bit difficult to apply, but all the other two shades were completely fine. I would have wished a lighter matte shadow, but they have other palettes, so you choose what you want. Yeah, I'm not mad. It's just the eyeliner that... I think this is the thickest eyeliner I had ever. Well, yeah, that's everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and of course, if you want notifications every time I upload a new video, you can click the bell and turn on the notifications. I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Bye.